moon, get your ticket now. Everybody line up, get your tickets, we're going to Did you buy the dip? Yeah. Do you like rocket ships? Oh, what a ship. You wanna try this shit? Yeah. We got everything you need, you better buy some bidding now. Everybody, long live Ponzi. Everybody, long the Ponzi. Everybody, long the Ponzi ride. Never short it. Bitcoin's back, alright.
Yes, indeed. Bitcoin is back. All right, baby. Welcome to Satoshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Monday, the 2nd of August, 2021. This is just going to be a brief chart show to let's have a look at the figures. I mean, check this out. So the Coolcoin hash rate has actually gone down to 96.4. And the Bitcoin hash rate has gone up to a 0.79. So we were looking at that literally just the other day, and it was 0.2%. Now it's shot up to almost 0.8%. This is the sort of thing that I would expect to see when cracks start to emerge, because miners are the largest bag holders. They have the most skin in the game, and they have the most to lose. So what they're not going to do is offload their bags straight away, but one of the first things they are going to do is start mining it. They'll switch their hash rate straight over. So obviously they don't want to start dumping their bags too soon, because that will just simply tank the price of Coolcoin. They sort of like want to do it on the sly, but they still want to get some Bitcoin without anybody else knowing that they're getting Bitcoin, obviously. You know, sort of like try and keep it on the QT, on the down low, as they say. And that's kind of what we're looking at here. So look at this. I mean, look at these blocks coming through. These are absolutely massive. Let's have a look at these. 60, 30, 90. These are megabytes, by the way. 124, 255, 255, 255. Oh my goodness me. 3 255 megabyte blocks mined in a row. 118, 53, 34, 10, 32, 3, 11, 5, 18, 8, 11, 121, 30, 35, 21, 131, 31, 8, 15, and 3. Absolutely massive. I mean, my goodness me. And look at this. So it's 60% more profitable to mine on Coolcoin, and that's obviously because the price is there to support it. But this is what you'd expect. Competition. Suddenly they're just like, actually, we don't care if we're missing out. So SBI Crypto are suddenly now no longer dollar worshipping. They don't care that it's 60% more profitable to mine on BTC. They're just like, no, we don't want it. It's not worth anything to us. It's not valuable whatsoever. We want Bitcoin. So look, I mean, they're willing to forego a 60% profit loss in terms of dollar. So suddenly dollars are just, like I said, they don't want dollar anymore. They're not bothered about dollar. So suddenly they've realized the value of Bitcoin, which is what we're looking at here, which is pretty amazing. Let's have a look at the size of these block sizes proportionally. I mean, look at this. I'm expecting to see new all-time highs. Whoa, hold on, let's have a look at that on the 3-month chart. Oh, that'll be going up anytime soon. So currently averaging 39.7 megabytes. Absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. Let's have a look at the chain quickly, proportionally. Here we go. Bring this up. Expand that across. Where are we now? 460 to 363. Well, that's out of date actually, so not a lot of point in paying too much attention to that one. So let's have a look at see how far ahead we are. And remember, I think look at 108 gigabytes. 108 gigabytes. It's just absolutely massive. I mean, look at that. SBI Crypto now with 34% of the hash rate. So it means that they've moved their hash rate from mining Coolcoin. Let's have a quick look at that. So SBI Crypto with 1.39% of the hash rate on Coolcoin. Look at this. Antpool with 60% of the hash rate on Bcrash. I mean, what's funny about this is that there's no fundamental value in this protocol. In fact, it's utterly worthless. A complete waste of energy. So I mean, look at how much hash rate they're putting on there. I mean, that is really quite funny when you think about it. But I mean, look at Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin has now got more credibility than Bcrash. I mean, look at that, 34.72%. And I wonder if they're going to start offloading their BTC holdings, like just slightly. Obviously, they don't want to tank the market because they want the best price, for their BTC. But I think they're probably going to start offloading relatively soon. And buying Bitcoin for it. So let's have a look at the USD price of Corecoin on Bitfinex. There we go. So yeah, like traveling downwards. Look, I mean, you're going to get a few speculators in the market that don't really have a clue what's going on. But dipping the eye, we'll go in there, thinking it's a good entry point. But I mean, this is what I'd expect to see. And let's have a look at a Bitcoin versus Corecoin. Let's see this comparison. Here we go. Look at that. Look at the trend. Look at the trend. I mean, I know it's only starting, but it's got to start somewhere. Could this be it? Wow. Yeah. I mean, stay tuned, peeps. That's all I can say. I think that's all I wanted to look at quickly. Quick 6-minute show. That I do wonder how many eyes we get on that. So as ever, be aware, take care, stay safe, enjoy giving. Catch you guys later. Get paid for posting your pics on Relica. Download the app now at www.getrelica.com. Get your tweet etched on Twitch, forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. Do it today at www.jointwitch.com. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online. Support independent content creators on micropayment platforms such as Streamanity, Twitch and Relica. We should profit from our data, not the large corporations who track, monitor and sell it. If you enjoy the Bitcoin content that I produce, please support me by heading over to www.satoshi.tv, where you can keep up to date with all the latest news, gossip and content as it's created. Thanks very much. To get started in Bitcoin, go to freebsv.com, where you can claim your free Bitcoin. Then head over to Twitter and follow @IamSatoshi, where you can take part in his very generous and world famous free giveaways. The future of advertising meets the power of Bitcoin at Tonic Pow. Get paid for posting advertising campaigns to your social media profiles. Go to www.tonicpowads.com.